Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to mine Pocket Rocket. Pocket Rocket is a new Telegram mining app. Pocket Rocket is a Web3 space strategy game where pilots can navigate glaciers to mine crystal rocks. They can upgrade their spaceships using a combination of taps, boost, and invitations to get more rewards. Pocket Rocket is powered by the WikiCat Foundation. So guys, before we get started, if you know you find our video tutorials useful and helpful, do well to support our channel by buying our educational token, the Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly, let's head over to today's video. Now, to get started, you'll be needing a referral link. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. You click on Launch Rocket. Here you go. Beautiful interface we have here. Target the rocks so you earn more crystal rewards. So guys, you can also navigate your way around this app using the boost icon. The boost allows you to increase your speed capacity. It allows you to increase your mining per tap. And you also have 3 free boosters, the full energy and the turbo. You can utilize this to increase your mining speed. Yeah, it also has the N icon. This icon, quest and tax appears here, so you can follow the handles and gain more rewards. You can use the invite link to invite more friends to join you in mining rocket, and you'll get more rewards. This rocket promises to be an awesome opportunity to earn crystals. Crystals, like I said, are special minerals which can be exchanged for rewards and digital assets by the WikiCat Foundation platform. So guys, this is all for this video. If you find this video useful and interesting, do well to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember, turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops. Stay glued to this page for more educational content, and see you in our next video.